Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright auto waiting feature. Before we start, let's recap what we have learned in the previous video. In the previous video, we have explored Playwright assertions, beginning with an introduction and covering all the assertion types available in Playwright. The session was divided into 4 parts, providing a structured and detailed understanding. And today's self-evaluation question is, what is the purpose of to be hidden assertion? Please answer in the comment box. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch it to get to know the answer. Let's get started. What is auto waiting? Auto waiting means that Playwright automatically waits for the necessary conditions to be met before performing any actions, which means Playwright will automatically wait for the elements to be ready before interacting with them. The actions are clicking an element, typing into an input, selecting from a dropdown, waiting for the navigations, or network idle. Playwright will wait for elements before performing these actions. So this helps to avoid the test case failures caused by the timing issues. The auto waiting feature in Pytest-Playwright is a powerful mechanism that simplifies writing reliable end-to-end tests by automatically waiting for elements to be ready before interacting with them. Now let's see how auto waiting works. Here Playwright will be performing two things. One is actionability check and the other is automatic retrying. Before performing an action, Playwright will verify the element is visible, stable, enabled, and receiving the events or not. So this is called actionability check. And the automatic retrying means if the element is not ready, Playwright will wait and retrace until the conditions are met or the timeout is reached. The default timeout is 5 seconds. Assertions with the auto retry. We already discussed about assertions. Please watch my previous video to get to know about assertions. Playwright also retries assertions until the expected condition is satisfied, reducing test failures due to the temporary UI states. For example, when we use locator.clickoff, Playwright ensures whether the element is visible, stable, enabled, and capable of receiving events or not. This feature significantly improves tester reliability by handling dynamic web elements efficiently. Let's take an example program. If you see in this program, the line highlighted in yellow color, that is page.locator of hash dynamic button dot clickoff, will automatically wait for the element to visible, stable, enabled, and receives events. So once these conditions are satisfied, it will click the element and proceed further. One more point also you have to remember, there are some edge cases the auto waiting does not help, where you might still need to use the explicit waits. Wait for selector, wait for response, wait for load state, wherever necessary. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.